Picture this. You've got your kayak ready, the weather's perfect, but you're stuck wondering if your roof rack will actually keep your boat secure at highway speeds. Or worse, you bought the wrong rack and now your garage door won't close. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best kayak roof racks that actually deliver on their promises, so you can spend less time worrying and more time on the water. Let's get into it. Starting strong at number 1 is the PIRIPARA kayak roof rack. For just $50 to $70, you're getting a complete 4-piece J-bar system that punches way above its price point. What makes this rack special? First off, the wide-mouth J-bar design. If you've ever struggled sliding a kayak into those narrow cradles, you'll immediately appreciate how much easier loading becomes. The steel construction is seriously heavy-duty, with a rust-resistant coating that holds up in coastal environments, and it supports up to 150 pounds total. Here's what people actually care about before buying. It fits most square, oval, and flat crossbars, though you'll need to check if you have round bars because it won't work with those. Installation is genuinely tool-free and takes about 30 minutes. You're also getting 4 8-foot tie-down straps included, so no surprise purchases later. The padding is thick enough to protect your kayak hull from scratches, and it handles kayaks up to 36 inches wide. Forum users consistently report stability on long highway trips, with several mentioning 12-plus hour drives at 70 miles per hour with zero movement. Now, the honest truth, the instructions could be clearer. Some users mentioned figuring it out took a bit of trial and error, but once it's on, it stays put. For the price, you're basically getting name-brand performance without the markup. The lifetime warranty backs that up. Check the link in the description box for current pricing and availability. At number 2, we have the Yakima JayLow kayak rack. Priced between $170 and $230, it's definitely an investment, but here's why it's worth considering. The JayLow gives you 3 racks in one. You can carry a single kayak in the J-cradle position, supporting up to 80 pounds, switch to vertical stacker mode for 2 kayaks at 110 pounds total, or fold it completely flat when you're not hauling anything. That fold-down feature, clutch for garage clearance. What really sets this apart is the integrated loading ramp. If you've ever tried lifting a 60-pound kayak over your head after a full day on the water, you know why this matters. The side loading design makes solo trips actually feasible without throwing out your back. Installation is completely tool-free and works with round, square, factory, or aerodynamic crossbars. You'll need at least 24 inches between your crossbars, so measure before ordering. Everything you need comes included: heavy-duty straps, bow and stern tie-downs, the whole package. The cam lever adjustment system gets praised in every review I've seen. It's faster and more secure than those finicky knob systems on cheaper racks. The downside, some users report a slight whistle at speeds above 35 miles per hour. It's not loud, and most solve it with a bit of electrical tape over the mounting holes, but it's worth mentioning. Reddit kayakers call this their top recommendation for good reason. One reviewer literally wrote, "Wow, wow, wow," after their first trip. Links are in the description. Coming in at number 3 is the Mrhardware heavy-duty kayak rack. With over 2,000 ratings on Amazon, this rack has proven itself as the best value option when you want something tougher than basic but don't need premium features. Here's what makes it stand out. It includes 4 heavy-duty ratchet tie-down straps instead of those standard cam buckles most racks come with. These have a 600-pound brake strength, and honestly, that extra security is worth the price alone. The steel construction uses 1.5mm thick tubing, which is noticeably stronger than cheaper alternatives. It's treated with an anti-rust coating that actually holds up in saltwater environments. The wide-mouth J-bar design makes loading easy, and it handles kayaks up to 36 inches wide with a total capacity of 150 pounds. Before you buy, know this: it fits square, oval, and flat crossbars, but won't work with round bars under 1.2-inch diameter. You'll also need at least 3 inches of clearance between your roof and crossbars for smooth installation. Real talk about the one issue: you absolutely need to re-tighten the mounting nuts after your first 30 to 60 minutes of driving. Vibration can loosen them initially, and several users mention this in reviews. Some folks use lock nuts or thread lock compound for extra security. Once you do that initial retightening, though, it's rock solid. Users with 25 years of kayaking experience say it matches racks costing 3 times as much. Multiple people report zero movement on 30-plus mile highway trips when properly secured. For the money, especially with those ratchet straps included, it's incredibly hard to beat. Amazon link is down in the description box.
At number 4, the Leader Accessories Folding Kayak Rack.
With over 1,600 positive reviews, it's become a go-to for recreational kayakers who want reliability without overspending. The standout feature here? The folding design. The quick release mechanism lets you fold the racks completely flat when not in use. You're not removing anything, just folding it down, which means better garage clearance and improved aerodynamics when you're not hauling kayaks. People who keep racks on year-round love this feature. Construction-wise, it's high-quality steel with powder coating that prevents rust, even in coastal areas. Multiple users report completing 13-plus-hour road trips at highway speeds with absolutely no issues. It supports 150 pounds total, and the foam padding with rubber paddle design genuinely protects your kayak hull. What you need to know before buying, it's compatible with square, oval, and flat crossbars, but not round bars. Installation is tool-free, and everything comes in the box, including 4 tie-down straps, so no surprise purchases. The honest downside? The folding mechanism, while smooth and reliable, adds a tiny bit of bulk compared to non-folding J-bars. It's minimal, but if you're maxing out your crossbar space with multiple racks or cargo boxes, measure carefully. For beginners especially, this hits the sweet spot. You're getting name-brand durability at a budget price, and that folding feature adds genuine convenience. Several forum users mentioned switching from Thule or Yakima and noticing zero performance difference for recreational use. Links are waiting in the description. Rounding out the list at number 5 is the IKURAM R Kayak Roof Rack. This is where budget-conscious buyers can step up to premium materials without hitting premium prices. The game changer here, aviation-grade aluminum construction. It's anodized aluminum alloy, which means it's incredibly lightweight, completely rust-resistant, and built to last in harsh weather. If you're in coastal areas or deal with heavy winter conditions, this material advantage matters. You're getting true 4-in-1 versatility. J-cradle for 1 kayak, vertical stacker for 2 kayaks supporting up to 158 pounds total, plus it works for SUPs, surfboards, and ski boards. The quick fold design uses a front release handle for instant raising or folding. The angle lock feature lets you adjust the J-bars to match different kayak shapes, and the oversized rubber saddles with top guard padding are noticeably thicker than cheaper racks. It handles kayaks up to 42 inches wide, which covers even wider fishing kayaks. Installation is tool-free and works with square and most oval factory crossbars. The complete package includes 4 heavy-duty straps with 750-pound brake strength, bow-stern safety tie-downs, and even paddle holders for transporting your paddles. The trade-off? Instructions aren't the clearest. Several reviewers mentioned installation wasn't difficult, but required some figuring out. Once installed, though, the quality speaks for itself, and the lightweight aluminum makes handling much easier than steel alternatives. Multiple users say you're basically paying for branding with Thule and Yakima when IKURAM delivers the same quality. Amazon link is in the description. All the Amazon links are waiting for you in the description below, along with current pricing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.